Hi, I'm Jeff Hampton with STR Law Guys. Today I want to talk to you about a customized strategy to protect your short-term rentals. And by the way, if you wait around to the end of the video, which is not going to be too long, I'll give you a free ebook, 5 strategies to protect your short-term rental and to give you peace of mind. All right, so let's talk about this for a minute. Listen, what is the main goal when you're looking to protect your assets, particularly short-term rentals? One of the main things we look to do is we want to separate the ownership of those assets from their use and control. You want to try to separate your ownership to give you protection, but let you continue to use and control it as much as you need to. And so that can be a very unique fit. Not everyone fits into the same template. And that's why, just going and getting an LLC off the internet or throwing something together off the internet doesn't mean it's going to anywhere near protect you if that's the intent that you're looking to do it. So as an example of that, one of the things that we look to do is, we represent people of all types, different types of net worth. Someone who's only worth, maybe their net worth is a couple $100,000 is different than someone who's got a $10 million net worth. So we represent some folks as much as having 5, 10, 20 properties, others who are just getting started on their investing journey. And it matters not only where you're at right now, but it's just as important as what your goals are and where you're headed so that your customized protection strategy is ready for your growth, okay? Now let's talk about this. For example, one of the things that we see is that we want to make sure and get to know you and in your investing journey. So here at STR Law Guys, one of the things that we do is we'll provide you an online questionnaire. It only takes a few minutes to be able to complete. And in fact, as part of that, what we do is you fill it out, it automatically sends back over to us, and then we prepare you a customized proposed asset protection restructuring plan. We call it the paper plan. Essentially what that is, it is a custom plan that provides you a visual. Now, if you're like me, I don't know if you're like me, but I like to see things visually and not just hear somebody talk about it. Somebody give me a visual, give me a map. Draw out a map for me so that I understand where I'm going and what I need. That's exactly what the paper plan is. We provide it to you not only in an executive summary so that you know what it is, but we also provide it to you in a visual map so that you'll see what entities that would help you and layer up your protection so that you know that you're able to take care of your short-term rental portfolio, and not just your short-term rentals, but all the rest of your net worth that you have as well. Okay, now listen, upon delivering your paper plan, we schedule a strategy call. We go over that in depth. We want to answer all of your questions. We want to make sure that it's crystal clear. One of the things we look to do is take away the mystery of asset protection when it comes to short-term rental investing. And then we want to be able to help provide you an action plan. Having the idea of what you need to do means nothing if you don't act upon it. So what we do is provide you an action plan so that you can get started and that you can go ahead and know that you've got your assets in the right protection strategy, customized specifically to your needs. Okay? Now, listen, remember, if you choose to partner with us, our goal is to make sure and make it clear to you. It's not your job to figure out what's clear. It's our job to make sure and make it clear for you. So we'd be happy to provide you a paper plan and to be able to walk you through this at no cost. So I encourage you to reach out to us, fill out our online form. We'll send you over the online questionnaire and get this process started. And listen, I want to thank you for joining me for this video. I promised you a free ebook, 5 strategies to protect your short-term rentals and give you peace of mind. Download that. It'll give you a short summary of strategies that you can use right now to protect your short-term rental assets. We'll see you on our next video.